Hello folks, it's another Saturday afternoon and we are heading on the road. Yes, we're seeking to discover another place in South Florida and we are heading that way right now. Yep. Where we're going today? We're going to the Treetops Park in Dana Beach. Yes, the Treetop Park.
Dana Beach.
Yeah, Davie. Chop. Yeah. So we're on the way right now to the Treetop Park in Davie. Davie. I'm gonna try to fix the phone, so yes. And it's just another. Where we go? My birthday or something?
Just another Saturday day.
Just another Saturday. We're going to a birthday party.
Yeah, a family friend, a church family friend, a kid who is 6 years old today or this week. So we going
to celebrate with my fumblers and friendsies from the churches.
We have beautiful weather today.
Yeah, the weather is nice.
Hot though, remember me tell you.
Yeah, 96 degrees in the sunshine, not in the shade. And we're chilling, maxing, relaxing, all cooling, shooting some b-ball outside of the school. Yeah. So, birthday. Some Joshua say hello now. Jesus Christ, look at dirty boy. He wouldn't even say hello. He just mean with him hello, so. Yes, you are mean. And so now we're headed on the turnpike. Low balance day, so we have to refill the sun pass.
It's a low balance?
Yes, ma'am. So we're on the way, guys. We'll show you a little bit of the park once we get there. Yeah, Mamba Matala. Now I can fly, bursting through the clouds, reaching tonight, like stars across the sky. Oh, star across the sky. We're almost there. See, we're almost there.
Okay.
That's it? Okay, just so okay, so. You know what pavilion?
Let me check. This does not even say. Oh, a live oak shelter. Yeah.
Okay. Hello. 3. Oh, I have 50 cents. I'm sorry. Here you go. And it's first right after stop sign, second shelter. Thank you. First right after stop sign, second shelter. So this is the park, guys. This is the park, and as you can see, it's full of trees.
It's very parky.
Hence the name Treetop. And once you get in, you just drive until you get to your shelter. And there's a lake.
Oh, you can rent those swans, you know?
Yeah, show them the lake. See.
Already fast.
What did I say? Well, like a first right after the stop sign.
And then it's on your right, I think.
I think so. You can see any car, you know it is, you know.
I don't really know the car like that though.
Alright.
You didn't make the right yet?
Yeah, see, where it's a live oak?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to turn a live oak now. You have to drive with caution because kids are riding their bikes and people are...
Different people in the park doing picnics and parties and whatever they're doing.
And stuff.
So...
Second? Thank you, Josh. Alright, I think I Charlton on that.
The tree is beautiful though.
Yes.
Wow. Boy.
Sure.
Sleeping
Alright, that's
policeman.
over there, so.
Looks so. Still don't see no familiar cars, but hey. A Kino car there?
Yeah, this might be Kino's truck. But I like parking in the shade though.
96 degrees in the shade. Yeah, so here we have the horseback riding segment. They're just taking the kids just a couple feet down and back. Apparently I'm too heavy to participate, so yeah, that's what you get for going to a 6-year-old's party. It looks pretty fun though. See, it's literally less than 1 minute. The ride is literally less than a minute to and fro, so hey. And there we have the birthday girl to the left in the pink, in her crown, and the ponies. Alright, birthday princess with her My Little Pony cake. Do you have one?
Go on, so. You go on, so my girl. You go on. I don't feel your birthday, my girl.
My Little Pony. What's your father? What? The father.
I'm sorry. I'll use another one. So 1, 2. I'm gonna have you. Huh? Of course.
Saw the talker?
I saw. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you. A rabbit? Nah, I don't like
rabbits. You know why? Because you can't control rabbits. Sometimes rabbits bite.
That looks like some.
Now, alright now. No, I don't want to put any wings in there because it might disappear. And then you're walking around with no head around. That's not fun. Yucky, is it? Alright, what's your name? Jaden. I want you to hold that. Everybody tell me what color he's holding there. Green. Are you sure? What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow? That's right. What color is this? Okay, now, does anybody see anything in here? All right. So now, we're going to count to 12. First, put them in. Let's go one at a time. One, there you go. Now there's something in there. It's going to disappear? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure it's going to disappear? It's still there. Still there. It's still there. Ready? Now. Oh, I don't want anything coming out of my mouth. Ready? That's my words. That's it. I'm not that kind of magician. Ready? We're going to count to 3. And then what are we going to do? Our hands? Hands up in the air. You guys too. Hands up in the air. And adults too. Feel free. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let me hear it.
Abracadabra.
Now, it's still the same one, isn't it, right? Still the same one. Can you, here, you're the naysayer. Can you grab that? Whoa! What happened there? I thought it was going to disappear. I thought it was going to disappear. Now you want to put it back in? Let's separate it. It's still in there, right? Still in there, right? Huh? Sometimes we don't all have a chance. Now, let's go. Wait, one more. Yeah, you can go. Let's grab you from the word. We'll have some more turns. Ready? We're going to count to 3, okay? And we're going to separate them again. Ready? 1. Hands in the air. Fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Grab that. Grab that. All set. Right? What happened? I thought it was going to disappear. High five. Thank you for your help. One, two, hands in the air. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's get that.
I'm so confused. Ever since I'm still am. Like how? I tried to figure out you holding something at the bottom.
I'm doing that. You want to open it too? Yeah.
She stays sending WhatsApp calls every day.
You want to turn opening it? Okay, I got to let the birthday girl open it first. Alright. If y'all want to go to that,
The randomness when you're at the park. Look at this turtle that looks like he's lost in the scorching sun hot. Trying to find his way somewhere. I don't know where. But yes, this is so random. Never seen anything like this before.
It's leaving.
Stop blocking him. Oh my gosh.
Where is it going?
Hi, Mr. Turtle. Don't block him. Hi, Mr. Turtle. Where are you going? Huh.
It's Alashana Turtle.
Wow.
It looked like someone tried to burn him on the grill.
And away he goes.
We are at the park, and the facility is so nice. You know, I didn't get to shoot much, you know, because I was caught up. This is over there, so the party was. I just wanted to show you a little bit more of what it's like. There's a turtle walking there in the grass. I'm gonna take you over to the bridge. You know, everybody packing up now, you know, but I just wanted to take you over this bridge here right quick and show you the turtle. Yeah, this is Treetop Park. It's not well, there's the turtle right there. Yeah. And they have alligator notice on the sign right there. So them say be careful because alligator in the marshlands that surrounds the park. Alright, and we're going over this bridge here. See the bridge there? And there is a lake over that side that you can see turtles in the water. Yeah. And there is the marshlands right here. It's a nice place if you have families and you want to come spend some time. You know, the park, the trail goes all the way around there, so you know, and trust me, beautiful little area. You know, come spend some quality time with your family. You know, next time when it's not so hot, me carrying up on a tour, I'll show you everything. Alright? Sure.
So it's a wrap, guys. 3 hours later, and we're exiting the park. It was a good day.
You know, there's a viewing tower over there, so we never go on.
View? What kind of tower?
Like you climb on top of it and you can, it goes on top of the trees.
So why not go up there?
Because we didn't go. We just didn't go.
So why would not go now?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Can't bother.
Yeah, so it was fun. It was a good day. However, it was super duper hot.
Yeah, we'll have to come back in November when the time cool.
Yeah, October, November. I was saying a while ago to someone that October, November
just
is
get
ideal.
And get a day and come throw some ball and spend a day at the park with all the kids them too.
But this 96 degrees thing is not working out at all. But it cooled down now. In the evening it get breezy and things. So.
It's 91 degrees.
Yeah, but it got breezy.
It's still hot.
Yeah, so
Put on seatbelt, baby.
I'm not doing that. A joke. Let me do that. Joshua is super tired, super bored because he was looking forward to a basketball court, but there was none. So
there actually may be one, but it's just like
there's none. I actually called them and they said only volleyball. So.
Oh, shh.
He's pretty not pleased right now.
Yeah, pretty not pleased.
Yeah.
Never go.
Treetops. That was
Which
it.
one must drive for go home?
What a serious thing?
Matters.
Alright, so this is what's the name of that thing? Hopes.
Discovering whatever.
Discovering Hopes. Signing out until our next vlog.
Vloggy.
Pick up yourself, pick up yourself.
Peace.
Josh, big up yourself, big up yourself. Alright.
See the sign they see? Treetops Park.
Yeah, Treetops.
Zoom.
Ain't no need to zoom when you have a good camera.